Hello, my crafty friends. How is everyone doing today? I am Sheree and I'm here to have some crafty fun today. So I am doing a second demonstration, third video for Globleland.com today. And I showed you one video where I did an unboxing. The second video I believe I made a pretty tassel with the different ribbons and the rickrack that I got from Globleland, and I will have all the links below to the products, the website, globleland.com, and a coupon, Sheree, I believe it's Sheree 10, but it will be below, so you can get a discount on your order. And they're always having good sales, and their prices are great anyway. So, but yeah, I had gotten some rickrack, 2 different colors, some pretty ribbon, and there's a ton on all the spools that I got. And then I got this little set here of Halloween stickers. So let me see. And I said I was going to, what I actually got them for was my granddaughter to have fun with. And there's a lot in here. Here's what we worked on together. We did all of these, or did, some crafting with these. And this is what I still have left. And I got the Halloween, if you didn't see that video, I got the Halloween pack. There's a Christmas pack, and there's a little pack with trucks where you can put on the tires and whatever else they have to put on the trucks and cars. But I was going to get her the cars and trucks, and then I saw the Halloween one, and she watches Simple Songs for kids. It's a thing. If you haven't heard of it, kids love it. Little kids, little 3-year-olds and 4-year-olds and 2-year-olds, but maybe 1-year-olds. But she loves it, and she was watching at the time I ordered these. She was watching the Halloween one. Every time I would see her, it was like happy Halloween, in April. So I got these for her to have some Halloween fun in this past month in May. We did it last week, so it was the end of May, 1st of June. It doesn't matter what month it is, but they love it. But she took all these, and what I did was show her, I took the main character. You see, this was a ghost. I took the main character. So I said I would report back to you on how she did with these. She's 3.5. She did great with them. It was easy peasy for her. My boys are, in their late 20s. Early 30s, so it's kind of hard to remember. I remember them when they were little, but I couldn't remember, how they were with stuff like this. But 3.5, I guess, is easy peasy for a 3.5-year-old, probably even younger, as long as they know where their eyes and mouth go, right? So yeah, I took the little character off, and I had this. This is paper or kind of lightweight cardstock that I bring home from work that I recycle. So I had some of that in there. And I would put the main character down and then help her, she's done stickers and stuff before, but we just did it together, and I would help her peel the little things off and give it to her. And she totally put it down wherever she thought she would like it to go. So, and some of them she layered, there's more than one set of eyes sometimes. Like on this ghost, there's several different faces you can make. So I tried to pull, if I gave her more than one, I tried to pull off different. But she was doing it so fast, it was even hard to keep up with her, putting the eyes and the nose and the mouth on, ready for the next one type of thing. So anyway, yeah, here's one. And this one's probably the most crooked one that she did, but sometimes she wanted to do more than one eyes, and she would start layering them, putting them in the right spot, but layering them. So this is a little mummy. Here's a ghost. I'm just going to show you what she did. I put it down on the paper, or I don't know if I gave her any to put down on the paper or not, the main character. But anyway, if I did, she did good with all of them, and she put the eyes and nose and mouth on all of these ones here. And these are very sticky. They're not removable. Really, she did try. She's used to doing the ones that are removable too. So she was trying to take them off. I'm like, no, they don't come off. You just gotta stick them down. Yeah, she put all these on here, a little mushroom, and so that now they're all backed too. So I'm thinking, this is what I'm thinking now. She's done with them now. What is she going to do with them now? She's not going to hang them up in her room. Her mom has plenty of her artwork. Her mom doesn't need them to hang up on a refrigerator or anything like that. So I thought, okay, now it's my turn. So here's one that I already cut out that she did. a little vampire. So cute, even though the mouth is a little crooked. I think it's adorable. And I could leave it like that, or I could cut corners, you know, like a tag, or I could round the corners. Hold on. And I would totally use these in my journals as something fun. I mean, I don't know if somebody doesn't like it, they can throw it away. I would hate to see them throw it away, but I don't really think they would. I mean, I always think if I like it, other people will like it. You know what I mean? I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but I always think, well, if I like it, I think other people would like it, type of thing. Or if I love it, other people will love it. So here it is with the rounded corners. So there's the first one as a journaling card. So you've got all that space on the back. Wouldn't that be fun? And they could, somebody that got the journal, if they were crafting with their child or grandchild or whatever, they could give this to them and let them write on the back or color on the back or even cut it out. I know when my oldest son was like was it kindergarten, something like that? I know I went to a teacher conference one time and they were like, your son needs to work on his cutting. He's not so good with the scissors. I was like, okay. So we came home, I let him cut out things more than usual. I mean, you don't think about these things really until the teacher tells you, like, your son needs to work on cutting things out. Like, okay. So anyway, so there's one as a journaling card. Let me know if the teacher ever told you that. Your child needs to work on cutting. I'm sure it's probably a common thing. You know what I mean? So let's see. I have a couple of pairs of scissors here. I was going to, let's cut some of these out and just see what it's like. So this will be little things I can use in journals in the future, like this witch's hat here. I think it's adorable, but you know, why would I leave it here on here? And I could turn it into a journaling card, I guess, if I wanted to cut a rectangle, but it would be kind of hard. I mean, it would be, I don't know, I think it would be easier just to cut it out now that it's got the little cardstock on the back. This is a thicker piece too. Some of these are, once in a while I get a thicker one from the different papers we use at work. But let me just see if I can make quick work of cutting this out. And so yeah, like I said, this is going to be this is just a fun crafting time today. Plus showing you these Globleland things that are for, you know, they can be for kids or adults, right? I would say 3 and up. That's my own opinion there. If I were going to put age on this, you know how they say 3 to 8+ years. I'd say 3+ years. And this is going to be a little fussy right there, really fussy to get around all those little curly cues, but still, I think it can be done. Plus, I'm using these big scissors. I can get out my smaller scissors that I have right here and use those. In fact, I might have to do that. So when I'm fussy cutting and I get to a spot like that, I kind of just, let's get this off here and see if we can make quicker work out of this with a little bit of, hopefully, doing it a better way, kind of cutting. So I hope you think this is fun too. And if you let me know if you saw my first video and loved these and you went and ordered them, let me know. Or if you ordered any of my, you know, it would really be fun if you let me know when I mean, people do let me know. People have let me know before, like, oh, I'm going to order some of those, or I went and ordered those, type of thing. So let me know if you ordered any of these. You know, you don't have to, but, you know, it's always fun to know, like, oh, those were a great price, and it's just what I wanted, and I'm so glad you ordered them, and now I'm ordering them, type of thing. So I know I'm not the weirdo in the bunch that likes things that nobody else likes. So yeah, this is a little fuzzy right here. It's kind of like a little leaf right here, and then this could be a little journaling spot too. You could put a little hole in the top of the hat and a little string or something, a little ribbon. You could even hang it from like a brad or something, or just use it as a decoration on a pocket or a page, or something else. These could be used on cards if you like to make Halloween cards. these would be fun. These would be fun to make cards with, like with your child. For, I wonder if they have some for like Valentine's Day, and they do have Christmas ones. I think I probably already said that. So these would be fun to make cards with your children and send them out at whatever holiday they're for. So there it is. It was a sticker. Now it's a little backed with cardstock piece, and it can be stuck into, in fact, I got orange ribbon with this. I could punch a little hole, put a little bit of that orange ribbon here. Wouldn't that be cute? Just as a little kind of, shaped tag. I think it's adorable. And it would look super cute in a Halloween journal. So I think I will go through these, and this is a great, now that my granddaughter stuck these down for me, and I'll let her do the other ones too. Or if there's, if she gets, I think she would probably do all of these, in a few sessions. But if I want to do some, I would also, if you didn't want to do them with your child, or you don't have a child to do it with or whatever, but you like these, you could do it yourself. Don't be afraid to let your inner child out and have some fun with Halloween stickers. But I could see myself totally just doing this myself. Making a little tag, getting some orange or whatever purple. This looks good on purple. Get some purple cardstock and do the little monster guy and make some tags for yourself or whatever. So cards, tags, whatever, page decoration. But I could totally see myself. Let's cut out one more. This little ghost I think is perfect. It's not too fussy. I don't think. Some people might think it is, but I think this would be a great, little, stick them down, whoever sticks them down, you, your grandchild, your child, whoever, your kindergarten class, whatever. And then they can bring them home too, or they can make cards actually if you're a kindergarten teacher or a young child, teacher of young children for first grade or second grade or whatever grade you think would be good. And like making cards, you could have your class make cards and take them home to their parents for whatever holiday. That would be fun. Or you could take them and donate them to the retirement home. I know people do that. Or, give them to the retirement. You know what I mean? I don't mean just donate them. I mean, have them specifically like this is going to the retirement home people for so-and-so holiday, and the kids could write a little message. They could be generic, really, to whoever, male or female. Doesn't have to have a name on it, but it could have, be generic to whoever, and then they could write a little note, Happy Halloween, from Susie or whoever, little Mikey. So I think that would be adorable if I was a teacher. I think I would totally enjoy that. And they would get a kick out of it. They would get something like almost like mail, maybe on a day when they don't normally get or have a visitor, or people. I don't think people in retirement homes or assisted living or anywhere like that, they don't have visitors every day. So I think they would enjoy getting a little ghost card or a little pumpkin card with a little note from a child. I don't know. I think they would, though. So so you can think of, the possibilities are endless as far as that goes. You could do it yourself. You could do it as adults with your Sunday school class or something, a little women's get-together. Have fun with the stickers. So I don't know. My mind is just wandering now of all the potential here. But here, see, she only used the bottom half, so now I can cut this off. I'll have to remember that. Try to have her, so I don't waste a whole piece of paper. Try to have her focus. Like if I'm putting it down, put it on one half, and then I can cut it off and use the other half. And so, like when you make a card, say you're using one of these pieces of paper, 8.5 by 11. This is a little bit smaller because these used to be dividers, and I cut off the tabs are a little bit narrower, but just say whatever size it is, fold it in half like that and make your card. Or if it's a smaller piece like this, if you want to make 2 cards, cut your papers in half, 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, cut it in half, you can get 2 cards out of it. So say this is half, and if it'll fit, whatever. Some of these might not fit on here, so you have to be careful about that. The monster would, but the ghosty would be too wide. But you can also, and you don't have to have an envelope even. You know, I wouldn't even worry about envelopes. Just, you could just do it like this. And I'm really gonna, like, you know, I'm just really telling you how to do this, aren't I? But you could do it like this, or even that little tag that I had, and give these out and write a little note on the back, Happy Halloween from Susie, you know, type of thing. Or just have them write whatever they want, you know what I mean? Like, I hope you're having a good day. I hope you, you know, enjoy Halloween, or a little note about themselves. My favorite thing about Halloween is jack-o'-lanterns, or going trick-or-treating, or whatever, going to trunk-or-treat at church, whatever. Can't have Halloween candy, candy corn, whatever. Anyway, you get the idea. I'm just, like I said, having fun with these stickers. So, and more fun is ahead. So I hope, you know, I kind of hope these inspired you, and they're very inexpensive, so I hope you go and get some and have some fun like I am. So anyway, that is it for today. Don't forget to at least check it out. Check out Globleland. Don't forget about my coupon, because that's how they know. If you click on my links, they know you came from my video. You know what I mean? They all have Sheree after them, if you notice. I believe they all, even the website has Sheree after it. That's how they set it up, so they know, you know, that you came from my video. So the website, the products, and the coupon. So anyway, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.